Hello there, namaste. I hope you're ready to start today's meditation with me. So today we'll be focusing on our throat chakra. It is blue in color. And this chakra have 16 petals. And for this meditation, I brought with me soda light. And the rest of the crystals that resonate with this chakra, I will list those on the screen. And I brought with me clear quartz. So the element for this chakra is space, ether. So for this element, we will be focusing on our middle finger. And this is how we will be chanting for the day. This chakra is obviously blue in color and it has 16 petals. Those 16 petals, so like, you know how we have vowels, 5 vowels in English? There are 16 vowels in Sanskrit, because that's where all of this originated from. So there are those vowels are a, I, u, e, a, o, so on and so forth. Like it goes on like that, and then there's like 16 of those. I will try to list those. I will also try to list those on the screen in case you are wondering what that looks like. So the sound of this chakra is hum. So that's what we'll be chanting today. We'll be chanting hum. Let's do our affirmations first, and then let's do our chanting. Remember, when we're doing the chanting and the affirmations, just imagine a blue lotus flower with 16 petals blooming, and it's like it's breathing with each breath that you're taking, like hum. Let's do our affirmations first. My throat chakra is open. My throat chakra is open. My throat chakra is open. I speak freely. I speak freely. I speak freely. I speak calmly. I speak calmly. I speak calmly. I choose my words wisely. I choose my words wisely. I choose my words wisely. I speak positively. I speak positively. I speak positively. My throat chakra is charged and balanced. My throat chakra is charged and balanced. My throat chakra is charged and balanced. I speak with love. I speak with love. I speak with love. Okay, now let's focus on chanting. Hum.
Hum.
Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. Let's move on to our next chapter. Okay, so our card of the day is kindness is all it takes. Kindness is all it takes. I love this sentiment as it is simple and doable. The same goes for self-compassion. It is not complex, rather it is just entails being kind and then kinder still to yourself. There is no magic or really great effort needed. So often I hear folks asking, there must be more to it, must not there? The answer is not at first. At first, your daily practice needs to be just a reminder to be kind to yourself. Each morning when you awaken, allow that thought to guide your day. Simple, straightforward, and most important, doable. For today, it's just about being kind to myself. For practice, your last moment of kindness. Take a moment to close your eyes and reflect on the last moment of kindness you received from someone. What was it? Where were you? Do you remember how that left you feeling? How about now? As you recall it in this moment, notice how the simple act of someone being kind to you felt and continues to feel in your body. Place a hand to your heart and imagine turning this kindness one day at a time toward yourself. How would it leave you feeling day in and day out in body, in mind, and in heart? Repeat the following words. I can allow kindness to be present today. I can allow kindness to be present today. I can allow kindness to be present today. And that is all for today's meditation. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.